I turned 51 and I decided I didn't like the way I looked. I'm out in public a lot, so I just wanted to freshen up my look and just not look different, just look the way I used to look and the way I was used to looking. I researched actually a lot of doctors, and I was impressed because he had a lot of experience. He's been in practice for many years. He teaches other plastic surgeons, which was very important to me. Although he asked me what I wanted, he also made suggestions, which I appreciated because sometimes it's difficult to get some distance and perspective on yourself. So the surgery was about 4 months ago. Universally, the response was, "Wow, you look really good. Your work must be agreeing with you. You look like you're really enjoying life." And nobody said, "What did you have done?" which was nice to hear. Nobody thought that I looked hugely different. I was very happy with my choice.